Hi guys! Today we will see if we can actually make our own dipping powder container for French manicure. Why would you spend $10 to $20 if you can actually make something in 10 minutes that serves the purpose? And I can use that money towards buying another dipping powder color. Correct? Let's get to it. Here's what we need. A plastic container and a hot glue gun. That's it. So I used the plastic container from my Q-tips, the little travel pack, but you can easily buy one at the dollar store. So I took the lid off, I placed it upside down, and here's why I like this one, because it has a nice plastic top, right? It's really cool. It's perfect for sliding, and it has an elevated border. And this is how you actually want to place your slider and glue it. So make sure the lid is positioned correctly so the raised border is on top. Top. Now I cut this part for two reasons. The first one being to make the box shorter so I don't have to waste too much powder filling it up. The second reason is that I want to have a flat slider for returning the excess of the powder into the box. So we're gonna have this piece very flat, which is gonna make it easier. Enjoy it!